Hello Mrs. Horn, my name's Graham, vehicle technician at Beadles Toyota. Just carrying out your safety recall today. I'm also doing a complimentary vehicle health check in this video. A couple of items I want to bring to your attention. Your front wiper blade is currently smearing. It's an item we can get done for you today. It's an item we do stock. The rest of the vehicle, as I get round the vehicle and find the items, come across them I should say, then I'll put them out to you as we're there. First seat, passenger front tyre, 4.5mm, okay. Look at minimum of 1.6, so as you can appreciate it's a healthy tyre. Starting to get a touch low, but nothing too desperate just yet. We'll keep our eyes on that. So on the front brakes, the pad's currently measuring 6mm. However, the brake discs itself are actually quite pitted and corroded. Now, what I'm going to advise there is when you have the pads done, okay, we advise to do the discs at the same time. So item again, if you want them done today, we can get them done. We get a price to you, all right? And then you may choose to have them done while the vehicle's with us. Front suspension's in good health, no excessive corrosion, no leaks. The driver's side the same. Okay, we come to driver's front tyre. I'm measuring 5.7, so again, nice and healthy. Exhaust system, okay, just surface corrosion at this section. Come down to the back box. What I would advise on the back box is your rear mount is quite heavily corroded. Okay, what happens in the end, that will break off. And then your exhaust will sit on top of the subframe and make an awful banging noise, okay. Also then it will be an MOT failure. Currently it's secure, okay, so it's just going to be an advisory. I'll put a price again on that for you. The rear springs, okay, you see the corrosion at the very top there, come across to the passenger side, see the same there. Okay, so again with corrosion, what's going to happen, eventually it will break. I can't give you a time scale on when, but obviously as I've seen the corrosion there, I would advise again getting them done. So again, I'll put a price on the VHC for you and we can discuss it with you later. Onto the driver's rear tyre, 6.3, nice and healthy. And the passenger rear tyre, 5.9, it's just below the 6. Okay, so all's well there. So the items I mentioned to you today, I'll put on the electronic vehicle health check and then our reception team can call you and discuss the items and cost. I just want to thank you for choosing Beadles and I hope to see you again.